Hello, this is Lucy. Hello. How's everyone? Today's pattern journal is going to make this. With color, it will have an antique looking. Let's start. We are using basic folding method 2 today. Fold a squared paper into triangle 3 times. If you would like to see a more detailed folding method, the link is below this video. You see, the pattern we are drawing is on the left. The pattern design is just a reference. You don't need to draw exactly the same. You can make some small changes and make it become your own pattern. When we cut, we always start with the details from the pointy side. They are the inside details. You know, just in case if you have a bad cut on a detail, you can save your artwork by changing the other details and outlines. Going to use some color that I normally consider ugly, but let's see. There's no space for the purple. Okay, here is a spot. The color combination creates an unique result. How do you think? If you like it and want to see more pattern and color, subscribe now and tell me any color combination you would like to see. I will try it. Alright, see you next Tuesday.